Welcome to Colorado, the Rockies. We're in the Rockies, literally in the Rockies. What's up, man?
Yeah, what's up?
So, my driver, my brother-in-law, we're out here trying to explore stuff, and we're actually heading over to, what is that? What is it called? Indian
Hot Springs.
Indian Hot Springs. And look at this. Like, you want to see this? It's crazy. We're in a freaking snowstorm. But enjoy these clips. We're gonna try to get there. Hopefully we can make it there in time and we don't get snowed out or in or somewhere. It's coming down pretty hard, and it was pretty dry, and now it's looking pretty white, so you can't see crap. Enjoy, and let's head over to the hot springs. Alright, so it's dark already. As you guys can see, it's getting dark out there. And we couldn't get into the actual hot springs area because you have to have like you have to book a reservation. So the hot springs, they literally build their resort on top of it, and they have this big dome, and you guys probably saw the pictures right there. It has like this big old dome thing, and it looks kind of cool. The water looks a little weird in color, but it's supposed to be like 125 degrees, I think, Fahrenheit. So it's supposed to heat everything up there, the pool, the jacuzzis, like all that stuff, and it's all natural. So if you do head out over there, make sure you guys do have a reservation. For us, we weren't really too impressed, right? Were you impressed?
No.
Why weren't you impressed? What would you have to say?
It's definitely kind of dirty.
Yeah. It's a little dirty. It's a little, yeah. Just take our word. Don't do it. It's, you know, there's like a little mining area where, you know, the whole gold rush and all that. So, and there's like a little town right there. There's stuff to do. And I think if anything, it was like the adventure to get there. You probably saw the videos of the casino. Just the adventure to get there was fun. And then when you get there, it was like, okay, here it is, you know. But you needed there's like a day pass that you can get, but we would probably pass on something like that. Probably do a different hot springs, one that's like easy accessible versus booking a room, right? Yeah. All right, cool. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Stay safe. It's cold, and see you guys on the next one.